Namaskar, Khushro Bhatia. My name is Dr. Asma Khan, Department of Fashion and Interior, Faculty of Education Methodology, Jyoti Vidyapat Women's University. Session name Human Anatomy, Female. This is the front view of human anatomy. This is the front and back view of human anatomy. This is the front, back, and side view of human anatomy. Generally, the human figure and fashion model drawing of female is classified in two different approaches. There are two approaches to draw the human body using head count. Head count is example, face is first head. I will discuss both here. First, there's the common approach which divide the body into different sections. Each section is equal to one head. This method is called head count method. The other approaches is draw each body part based on its proportion to heads. For example, when you draw the thigh, you can draw them as two heads and to do that with the other parts. This method allows you to draw each body parts on its own, which feels more interactive. I will call this method to local measuring method. There's nothing that stops you from using both method, determining the overall height of your figure using the first method before you start drawing. It can help you avoid drawing a figure that's too long, that's too short. For example, how tall is human figure should be. Humans vary in height and so the number of heads count for each person varies as well. For simplicity, let's take it that the average human body is 7.5 heads tall. Through many drawing book and references use the 8 head figure as well. Learn to draw the right and you will rarely have to worry about your standard figure or part of it being too tall or short. After that, you can vary the height of the figures you draw. The key is to be consistent about the specific proportion. If one of your character is 6.5 head tall, you have to always draw the character that way every single time. Here's the full human figure with each tick is equal one head. The both slide bins you must be design the human anatomy of female in head theories. These are classified in 7 head, 7.5 head, 8 head and 9 head are basics. After that the advanced version are 10 head, 11 head, 12 head and 13 head and many more, which is applicable in fashion model drawing and illustration. This is the 8 head theory. First is face, one head. Second is head, neck to armpit. Third is armpit to narrowest part of waist. Fourth head is narrowest part of waist to bottom of the hip. 5 head is bottom of hip to middle of thigh. 6 head is upper part of knee and lower part of knee and knee. 7th head is the leg is also 1.5 head and 8 head is half fit of for foot and 9 head for heels. This human anatomy classified both theories, 8 head theories and 9 head theories. When we are completing the fits, 8 head theory is completed. After that, when we are using the 9 head for heels and the size of heels which is 9 head. This is the bibliography and the YouTube link which reflect very well the topic. Again, this is the human anatomy classified in 9 head. This is the human anatomy classified in 8 head, which is mentioned in next slide. Thank you so much. This session is powered by 2.0 digital version Jyoti Vidyapat Women's University. Hope you understand this session. Thank you so much.